the family and fraternity of Nibs and Wanyoike's family, our sincere condolences and prayers that the Lord will give you grace at this time. I want to recognize all the ministers of the gospel and ministers in other ministries. Allow me to use that definition for us who are present here. They are ministers of the gospel and ministers in other ministries as the Lord grants unto us. I was born in a very small village in Wamuratha called Wamuratha. I don't know whether I'm just trying to work out this thing. So I was born in a very little village called Wamuratha in Wamuratha County. But the Lord called me into ministry at 21 and gave me an opportunity to serve in Kiambu. And so for a few years, just as 36 years, I've been preaching this Christ who revealed himself to me and who has given me an opportunity to just share of who he is in my life. I bring the condolences of my wife. We will be together with the family and those who will come on Tuesday. Cameron Gelaida, you initially had given the Nibs an opportunity to sing. But because tomorrow we will be with you, we shall revenge. So don't worry. We will be with you in the service. So you have an opportunity to sing. It's a lot that has been said about Madam Liz. And I'll share my thoughts in regard to my relationship with her. The last time we were with her was during the last graduation. Mheshimiwa Karongo, I think you came. Mheshimiwa Kagushia, the person whom you sponsored, was there present, and the governor of Kiambu